Hi there! Today we will be making a flower pot. Let's see what do we have in our book. Wow! We see beautiful flowers right here in this flower pot. And yes, we have made this flower before. You remember that, right? All we have to do is follow the same steps and start making the flowers. At first, let's make a big circle near the stem. How many circles are we making? Can we count this? Yes, we have to make a total of 4 circles. That is how we'll be able to make 4 beautiful big flowers. Let's draw this circle very lightly as we need to erase this later. Do you know why are we making these circles? Well, yes, we are making these circles so that all the petals we make are of the same size. Let's make 2 small circles inside and then start making this. We will make curved lines for the petals. Go ahead and make the petals slowly. After that, let's start by making the next flower, in which we are going to make a slanting line and then curves. And after that, continue by making these petals in a similar way. This looks brilliant! Let's take our black sketch pen and start sketching this. Well, remember that you do not have to sketch the rough parts, which is the outer circle for this flower and the inner circle as well. Let's sketch this in a similar way. Do not make a mistake, and remember, you need to sketch right on top of the pencil marks. Go ahead and sketch this very slowly. Similarly, sketch the next design as well. Yes, this flower. And after that, we will also sketch the drawing which is already in the book. Yes, for a consistent drawing. It shouldn't be like only the flowers are sketched and the bottom part isn't. It'll look very odd. So, let's sketch the entire drawing. Go very slow while sketching and right on top of the printed drawing. You can move your book however you like so that you're comfortable sketching the entire drawing. At all times, your elbow and your wrist have to be on the table. Have a good grip of your sketch pen and move it right on the printed parts. This looks amazing. Complete the entire pot in a similar way. And look at that! This looks brilliant! Let's take our eraser and erase all the pencil marks. Well, yes, this looks amazing. The next thing we do is start coloring this. Can we take pencil colors and color this? That'll be lovely. You can also use wax crayons or oil pastels to color this. Just because we have smaller and intricate details, we prefer coloring this with pencil crayons. Yes, as the tip of it is sharp and it helps us color very nicely. Let's take the next color now, which is orange color. We will do the top part of this flower petal with the help of orange. Yes, make beautiful lines like this and then release the pressure and color a little lightly. After that, we will take yellow color and try and blend the bottom part of the petals. This looks very interesting. The next thing we do is take brown color and color the center circle. This looks amazing. Now it's time for us to take a blue color and start coloring this beautiful flower. If you notice, we are putting pressure on one side of the petal and releasing the pressure on the other side. This way, we are getting a darker shade on the left side and a lighter shade wherever we are releasing the pressure. Go very slow while coloring this and remember to do the outline. That's brilliant! Let's take yellow color for the circle inside. And now comes the last flower. Can you tell me which color are we taking for this one? Well, yes, we are taking a dark pink color here. Let's do the circle with the help of a dark pink color and the petals with purple or lavender color. This looks very interesting. We will now color the center part with pink color. And after that, let's do the stem with light green. Can we do all the 4 stems together? That'll make our drawing look colorful. Similarly, let's even color our leaves. Try and shade it with a lighter and a darker green. Well, that can be achieved by the pressure we put on top of our pencil crayon. The more the pressure, the darker the color looks. The lesser the pressure, the lighter it looks. And this looks so colorful. Let's go ahead by coloring our pot now. We will take green color for these lines. And then let's do this with green color as well. Of course, we will go with the outline first and color inside. The next thing we do is take blue color for the bottom part. The color combinations look amazing, isn't it? If you notice, the green color and blue color are cool colors. Hence, they look beautiful together. And next is taking brown color for the entire pot. Well, if you notice, we have a beautiful shade on the pot. How do we achieve that? By starting with the bottom part. Let's do the outline by putting pressure on the crayon. And slowly and steadily start releasing the pressure for a lighter shade. Let's do the same thing for the top as well. The corners or the edges will be darker and the center portion will be a little lighter. In this process, make sure that you only color in one direction. Let's take a darker shade of brown and do it at the rim. Release the pressure and color a little lightly in the center. And let's use the same color for the bottom part. Well, look at that! Our flower pot is ready!